Ryan's crying. Gaby, my video. Okay, this is kind of a boring moment. Alright, I'm turning off the video. Well, okay, I guess we're gonna do some little weird things.
Hello.
Hey, Brenda. Say, vacation.
Vacation! Having a blast.
Wait, baby and belly. Baby's first trip to the pool. Well,
Baby and belly.
Second trip.
Yeah, second trip.
Because we were here yesterday.
Yes, this is a blast. And yes, having too much fun.
We miss you, Margarita.
Yes, we miss
And
you.
Valerie, why can't you come?
Right?
Seriously.
I'm gonna live here now.
Oh, and happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.